Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Cadillac has pulled the rev of the 2025 CT5 facelift with some major upgrades. Outside is new front fascia with all new LED-like elements and a new grille design in black or chrome. Otherwise, those are the end of the change outside other than new color like deep space metallic and T-bone metallic. Powering the CT5 are two power plant with a base 2.0-liter turbo 4 making 237 horsepower and then a 3.0-liter double T V6. Now, this V6 can be had in a 550T spec where it makes 335 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque, going to off wheels or the rear wheels through a 10-speed gearbox. The CT5 V and black wings will be coming with updates soon. The real magic is inside where the awful interior has been replaced with a massive 33-inch curved display with a 9K resolution, Google built-in, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. There also is an optional Super Cruise and a new drive mode selector. Okay guys, what do you think about 2025 Cadillac CT5? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.